guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of Skullpanda, Image of Reality, and I have my little special guest. Say hi. He's going to open it. Okay, go.
Honey.
Oh, he needs help.
I open it. Oh, F4. Oh, F4. Oh, I got it. I got it. Mommy.
Just leave it on the... There you go, guys.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna get this. One.
So I guess he's going to go for...
Boo boo.
It's not a Labubu. This is Skullpanda.
Okay,
Guys, he's obsessed with Labubu, so he thinks every box we open is a Labubu.
Let's say.
You want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, this.
Yeah, you have to pull here. 1, 2. Ah.
Oh, okay. Oh, this. What is this? Meow meow.
It's not a meow meow.
Oh my god. Okay.
No, oh my god, you destroyed the box.
Oh, say. I got this candy. My dad.
Yeah.
Candy? What is that, dog?
Yeah, just open it.
That's a dad. Hey, boo boo. What is it? What got?
Let's see who we got. Wait,
Okay.
wait. Let's see what he has.
Yeah, Jobby. Jobby running.
Okay, so we got the disguise. Oh, so this one, I think I saw it. So it comes with this. But in reality, if you open it, it's like a cheap. It's like a mask.
Oh, the one.
Creating the finish.
Oh, what? This.
Yeah.
I can think it says.
Goes here.
Okay.
And the star.
Down.
Let me see the. Oh, the star goes here. See? Like this.
Oh, it hurt.
No, it's not her. It's in the hat.
The hat?
Mm.
Okay, I hurt this.
So guys, this is how
Yes.
she looks. She looks like a little.
Oh, no, I
I'm
do
gonna
one.
place it
I
here.
do one.
You ready? All right. Let's see which one is this one.
Go shake this.
Cute. She's not sleeping.
Oh,
She has one eye closed. I think she's part like of a set. Comes with a thing. And I'm mistaken, like this one attached to here. This one is duality black right there. I think she has a sister. All right, right here we're gonna put it. You want to throw this out, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's okay. Come. You want to open one?
Oh, I did. Oh, wait.
You want to open it?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Go. I don't know what's inside. Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna try to die. Oh, sorry.
You need help?
I don't know how this. Oh, what's this? Look. Okay.
Oh, I think I know which one this is. I think this is the one I wanted to get. This is the wraps, if I'm not mistaken. Just that one right there. I wanted to get it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'll open it. Okay. Go. Careful.
Okay. Meow.
Oh,
Oh,
it is. I actually was right.
No, I got TikTok. Oh, TikTok.
I've been wanting to get this one, guys.
Mama,
How beautiful
TikTok.
that one looks. But it works as a clock.
Mama, TikTok.
Let me show you right now.
Mama, look at kids.
Yeah, this is, yep, it's the time lapse.
Mama,
When I saw it, I was like, I wanted to get it. This is one of my favorite ones from this collection. Then the other one is called, I think, the Merchant, because it spins. But then this one, you put this. It's like a key in the back. Yeah. And it actually changes her expressions. See?
Okay.
These to be different. It's cool.
More
So
size.
pretty.
More size. More size.
Okay. All right. Now it's my turn, right?
More size.
No, it's my turn. You open one already.
Oh, give me.
I'll open it.
Oh, wait.
Wait, you gotta wait.
Oh,
Okay. Let me ask you guys, what number should I open? So we open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What number?
What number?
The aperture.
But give me a number.
1, 2, no.
Uh,
3, no. 4, 5, 6.
all right.
Here
Here we go. All right, guys. Let's see what we get.
Daddy's.
Be the secret. Please be the secret. I'm having no luck on the Skullpanda on getting a secret. This is my third series that I'm collecting. And no secret. Okay, this one I can definitely not tell what it is. The other two, I think these two are easy because you fill the box. This one you fill the little circle. But this one,
You know which one looks cool? What's his name? I can't say the imagination, I think.
yeah, I like that one too.
It looks
All
like.
right.
Which one is that one?
Oh, this one is the one that's in the cover, actually. And her name is the Constraint. Can I get it? Constraint.
No, my.
And it's a mermaid, actually.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, a picture.
I like it.
Can I
Well,
see?
you know what it looks like? Like she's knitting.
Yeah.
You know what knitting is?
Yeah, like I don't like.
I'm here telling her like she knows, and she's just,
I know what
you know,
it is.
she's not
Like-
my generation, so.
Like when you knit, you can make hats, you can make
Oh,
blankets.
okay, so she does. So yeah, guys, she's so cute. I actually like this one.
No, a picture.
Too. Not gonna lie.
Oh,
Okay. I'm sorry.
There's no standing. How can she stand? Oh, thank you.
You're right. Most welcome. Ooh, be careful.
Okay, now we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. One number. One number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
what
Twelve.
is the first thing?
So we do 5, 6, 7, 8. We do number 10?
Yes.
Number 10? Okay. Gonna
But
do number
you're sick.
You what?
I'm sick.
You're not sick.
You're not sick. What are you lying for?
I was sick.
Who's sick?
I was never sick.
Also, why are you eating candy if you're sick?
Yeah, baby.
So there's no candy for you no more? Are you still sick?
No.
Oh, you say you were sick. So I'm like
I guess he was sick for like 30 seconds.
30 seconds. You're sick. I think he just wants attention.
Yeah.
All right. Can't tell either. Oh my god, only those two were easy to tell.
Yeah, cause I guess this one like it has like a little thing.
No, it's a box, you know, like the clock box is easy to tell, but
This one is like kind of like a circle color, or not color.
maybe
Circle
this
shape?
is the sister. What's the name of her? So you went.
Wait, which one has the sister? This one?
Yeah,
Okay.
which is the duality. It's the same name but in white, like black and white. Okay, here we go.
Which
Oh,
one is that one?
Well, that's
So cute.
No, no,
Oh
no,
my
no.
God.
no, it's a hat.
So cute. Oh my god, guys.
Mama.
Really pretty. And it's like the earmuffs. I'm gonna call them like that. They look like crystal. It's red and black. What do you think?
It's cute. Oh, the eyes. This one like has a plus sign, I guess.
Oh,
And the other one, it has like circles.
You're right. It's like a plus and a circle there on the eyes. I
Yeah.
don't know guys if you can see it. This one is anti-gravity.
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 I'm sorry. Let me have one.
She's number 12 actually. I'm gonna place her right here. Which one are we gonna open next? We got 5, 6, 7, 8,
1, 2,
11, and 12. 12?
Yes.
He wants to go for the higher numbers.
My eyes.
Kind of hard to.
My eyes got it.
Oh, got it.
Yes.
Which one do you think we? Okay, so we're missing the philosophy, the paradox, the pivot, the imagination, the soar, and let me see, duality and white. That's it. So we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and of course the secret.
I'm happy.
So let's see who we're gonna.
For me?
Yes.
Let's see.
It's
What's heavy? What still can tell?
Yeah. Like this one has like a sharp.
Maybe it could be the duality and white. Let's see. Oh, this is the sword. This is the philosophy.
Yeah, the
I want
philosophy.
it.
She's so cute.
I
I think she brings a stand. No. Yeah, she does.
Mama, this eye.
Her eyes? You
Oh,
like her
yeah.
eyes?
Yeah, with this.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. She has cute eyes.
And she has a book.
No, a book already.
Yeah.
Yeah, the book.
So she goes right here. Yes.
Mama, this.
Wait. Let mommy do it.
Oh, so it's her. She also has a mask. So this is her face,
Is it
right?
magnetic?
And then
He's sleeping.
No,
oh yeah,
the
an owl.
yeah, owl.
Okay. Oh, you said it right. So yeah, this
He didn't say
is
owl. He said kind of like the sound
philosophy.
of the owl makes.
See?
philosophy.
Hi, this is mine.
So cute. I like with the mask too. She look with the mask. She look like so mysterious.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
She looks nonchalant.
That worked. All right. So Rosie, which one do you want me to open? Which number? We got 5, 6, 7,
What?
8, and 11.
You haven't opened any of these. So I say 8.
8? Okay.
8.
8? Okay.
Mama, this.
8. You gotta sit, okay?
Here we go. Here I go. So we're missing the paradox, the pivot, the imagination, and soar. And duality. So we're missing 1, 2.
Yeah.
Oh, I might be wrong.
Let's see how the imagination looks.
Maybe, right?
You never know.
Let's see. Here we go.
I'm done that.
Oh, I was wrong.
Who's that?
Oh, stupid.
This one is
Mama, I carry the eye. Mama, I this.
Yeah, the eye.
oh,
Mama,
she is the pivot. Pivot. That's right there. It's a dog with something. Yeah. This little.
Oh,
It's like a
what
little
is this?
stand.
ah.
Goes right under here. And then doesn't really say what this goes. Because there's no other way that goes.
Is it?
Even Even the picture doesn't show that in there, but I think it's like a mask. Oh yeah, right?
Magnetic.
So type it.
Okay.
But I think I like her without it. It's so pretty though.
I like her with it and without it.
Her makeup, it looks so nice. I'm gonna keep it without the mask.
Oh, Daddy.
It looks like she's in a swing. Alright, what other number should we open then? Which one should I open next? We got 5, 6, 8,
No, that's
and 11. I mean 9.
Wait.
No.
No, because this one is 5, 6.
Yeah, this was 7.
7. Oh.
You messed
8,
me up.
9, 10, 11.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I see that. I guess we do number 5. Robert, for good luck.
Last one then? Okay. Sounds stiff. But when it sounds like that, maybe it's like more bigger.
But we'll see right now.
You know which one? Oh, you know which one it can be? The one with the imagination, I think it's called or something.
Imagination. Oh yeah. In mine. I don't even know what I'm doing for the first now. We just do it for the first 2.
No, I was easy for the first 3 and 4.
Oh no, this is 4. Little wings and her legs. Oh, look at that. Guys, she has it's like a cage of birds behind her head. Like they want to escape.
Why do they want to escape?
They want to escape the cage.
Backstory?
I don't know why would they want to escape. It looks like she's flying.
What's her name?
Sword.
The sword.
It is. She actually looks like she's soaring.
Where's soaring?
Almost like flying, but you know, different. Alright, I got 6 and 8 and 11.
11.
I don't even know why I shake it. They all sound the same. They all sound the same. So we're gonna try. Here you go.
That one might be the.
No, this is the paradox.
Which one is the paradox? Oh, that one?
It looks like
Because I feel like the imagination will come
I
in a
think
big
it's
one.
different just because I'm seeing the picture and it has like the 2 little like plants. And if you feel it on top,
Yeah, it's like an open.
yeah. So I think my prediction for this one might be right, and it's the paradox, which I want to get too. So I like it. Oh,
The
so
picture
far
looks
so far.
different.
Yeah, it is. You know what it reminds me of? I don't know if you know like Jack in the Box.
Mm-hmm.
You know when you like spin it
And it pops.
pops.
Yeah.
It's kind of
Kind of like the Funko Pops. Like, you know how they're the head shapes?
yeah, it's cool. This is like a can. It has Skullpanda right in the back, and then it says party show.
Maybe like
You know what it would go if it has something to like You put it all the way down and it pops. So this is the paradox. I like the makeup. Anything else? No. Oh yeah, that's something. Oh. What's that? Oh, that's cool. It's like popping out.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. Like, you see?
Alright, that was some paradox, guys. Isn't it cute? I like it. Alright, so we have 8 and 6. So, which one you want to open? 6 or 8? 6. This is together. This one sounds like it has
This
space.
one?
Look, listen. It has space.
Wait, okay. Which one do they now? Oh, we don't have the sister.
We don't have duality and imagination.
I want the imagination.
I want the secret, but if I don't get the secret, fine. But all of them are beautiful,
The whole collection is beautiful.
and I like it. It's just really nice.
Feels this one. It has like some name?
I think that's the duality. The white.
Maybe.
This one I'm not sure. So
I'm gonna rip it. Rip it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh man, why didn't it rip off? Yeah,
Oh,
I got
I
this
got the
sister.
imagination, guys. Look at you sleeping.
What's it?
That's like the moon.
Oh, that's cool. Does this one come with anything? No, she does.
Yeah, it is the imagination. So no secret. It's okay. It's fine. No secret.
This one, she looks like she has like a string
Oh yeah.
coming down, and this one is like cut in half,
Oh, it's here like this.
and she's sitting on something.
This is cool. These look like eyes.
You see?
Maybe I'm crazy, but those don't look like eyes.
You see? Yeah, they look like
You know,
eyeballs.
like the bracelet I had that has like the evil eye. That's what this reminds me of.
She looks like she went to bed like she's sleeping.
Oh, so that's what I was talking to you about. So this one, right? Duality. He actually is something for her and her, right? See how they are like that? Well, and they get together.
So that's why that one's cut in half.
Yes. And they connect, guys. See? That's what I was saying, you guys. That this two is like the sister, and this is like magnetic, and they connect.
That's cool.
Yeah. So yeah, but
It
guys.
looks like together they look like they're sitting on a bench.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
So yes, guys. So this was our Skullpanda image of reality unboxing video today.
Wait, I just want to say something. These two looks like they have like a swan on top of their head.
Oh. You're right. It does look like it. So yeah, guys. So this is all for our video today. This is my little unboxing of Skullpanda image of reality. So I hope you guys like it. I like this one right here, which I was excited to get since I saw it on store. And also like the clock. It's really nice. Like how you can change it. See, look. Sleeping. And like angry looking. Sleeping. And then she's awake.
That's
So
cool.
these are my favorite ones.
Oh, like
The time lapse.
morning, afternoon, nighttime.
Yeah. The merchant, which it has another looking at this is the moon. And
it?
Yeah, that's the moon right there in the back. I fixed myself one before. This is the sun. But this one reminds me of like, you know when you see the moon's different shapes and colors?
Yeah, like the banana
And it's
moon,
like the
full
spinning,
moon.
because you know how in every, just the time lapse in the earth, the moon changes. Sometimes full moon, half moon,
Banana moon.
banana moon. And I think this is what it's showing, but it's I like it. I didn't get
Interesting.
the secret, but hey, the collection is worth it.
I like this one. I can't say the name properly.
The constraint,
Yeah, and I like this one.
the imagination. Okay, guys. So, subscribe and like the video. And if you guys want us to open something else from Popmore or anything else, you can leave us a comment and we can find it. We buy it and then we'll do unboxing for you guys.
Okay. Bye.